Why people are making money and telling others how to make it. There are several reasons why people might share their money-making strategies. Genuine desire to help. Some people are motivated by a desire to empower others and share their knowledge. They may have found success through a particular method and want to help others achieve similar results. Building a community. Sharing their expertise can help people build a community around their brand or niche. This can lead to increased engagement, loyalty, and potential customers for their products or services. Monetization. In some cases, sharing money-making methods is itself a way to make money. People may sell courses, ebooks, or coaching services that teach their strategies. It's important to be cautious of such offers, as some may be unrealistic or even scams. Building authority. Establishing themselves as an expert in a particular field can lead to opportunities like public speaking engagements, consulting work, or sponsorships. Altruism. Some people simply enjoy helping others and may find satisfaction in sharing their knowledge without expecting anything in return. It's important to consider the source. Be wary of methods that seem too good to be true or involve upfront investment. Research the credibility of the person sharing the information. Transparency. Look for individuals who are upfront about their motivations and how they make money. Realistic expectations. Making money often requires hard work, dedication, and time. Don't expect instant riches from any method. Remember, it's always wise to do your own research and due diligence before investing time or money in any money-making opportunity.